today in the High Court, matter concerning hoardings generally, that is a PIL came up, and the issue that was discussed today in the High Court was as regards the regulation of all these hoardings, and the law which is there in force as of now is not able to cope up with the requirement and the menace that takes place because of this unregulated hoarding. That was discussed in the High Court, and as far as state government is concerned, the state government informed the court that government is going to come up with a proper law on this subject, a codified and a comprehensive law to consolidate all issues as far as hoardings are concerned. There will be a proper authority who will grant permission. A proper authority will be constituted to take action against illegal hoarding. There will be proper specifications, distance, setbacks, etc. will be provided in that law. That is what told. That was what was told to the court today. This is one issue. Second issue is that as of now, the hoardings which are there all over the state, there are permissions granted sometimes by the panchayat. There are permissions which are not granted, and still the hoardings are coming up. As far as those hoardings are concerned, the court has said that there is a regulation, building regulation number 17, which is in force, and action will have to be taken based on that regulation 17. We have promised the High Court that the director of panchayat will issue a circular to all the panchayats saying that all the hoardings in panchayat areas will be regulated by regulation 17, and whatever hoarding is in violation of regulation 17 will be taken to task, and action will be taken against such violators. We are going to issue a circular to all the panchayats, and panchayats will have to take action against such hoardings, failing which action against the panchayat will be taken under the Panchayat Raj Act for having failed to perform their duties, and and they have committed remiss of their duties under the Panchayat Raj Act. Such a circular will be issued within a period of 15 days time.